Driver's ready, marshal's ready. Beat.
Barnstormers lose half gas blast. Greg Harmer TQ, Ophir Kamarian in the 2, Justin Drinks in the 3. Greg already getting a nice gap on Ophir, but Justin's pushing hard on Ophir.
Alright guys, if you need food, I think Charlie may have a little bit left here.
Ophir gonna roll it over, that's gonna let Drinks go to the 2 spot. So Greg developing a pretty nice sized lead, just got to keep it smooth. Good race between Drinks and Ophir. Jack Mulligan also right there. Justin not going to clear the triple quite. Ophir going to clear with ease. That's going to let him catch back up to the back of door of Justin.
Alright. So you got him on the Justin Drinks. With the Canarian, Count Mulligan, Johnson Ferry, Dennis first. Canarian, Chinese. Alan Boozer, Tommy DeSantis, Marshall Davis, Tom Tucker.
They're pushing hard to try to get past Justin.
From the bottom to rock right now is Justin Drinks. Both the Canadians coming down the fairway as we speak. As they come over the triple.
Justin gonna make a mistake. That's gonna let Ophir take over to the 2.
Marshall, that's second and third right behind him. Ready to tackle first, huh? Okay. Oh, Justin made a big mistake right there. Oh, that's going to make that Mulligan move up to that third spot.
So Jack looking pretty solid right now. Jack going to take over the 3 from Justin Drinks, both in Mugen.
He's not trying to catch Ophir right now, but Justin Drinks is right there. I feel you gotta give him some room right now. Thank you, Marshall. Justin. I have to bring something in the tight. Justin's gonna get that third spot. Justin's gonna take the tight and open. Oh, Jackie's gonna stop in the fight.
Oh, that's a rough one for Jack. He was running good. So Ophir down the front straight in the 2. Justin down the front straight in the 3. Justin gonna make a big mistake. Let's find your first place car. Here's Greg in the 1 in the Techno. Checked out. Gotta keep it on all 4 and cruise control.
Marvin's trying to put Jonathan Perry.
Alright, so Ophir with a mistake. That's going to let Drinks go past to the 2 spot.
So, Justin is going to take over back that second spot. Ophir made a big mistake. Oh,
Justin going to make a mistake. That's going to let Ophir take it back over.
Yeah, it's not money. Oh, Justin's going to make a big one too. That's going to do. Jonathan Perry's going to be in the room while you're going to Benny. He's coming into the picture right now. We got 4.3. 4 minutes and 33 seconds to go.
Here's your battle for the 2. Ophir Kamarian in the HB. Going wide. Justin going to take the inside. In the Mugen.
Oh my goodness, that was some really good racing right there. Yeah, you put it in, right? Alright.
Justin keeping it real tight. Not quite making the triple. Ophir going to make a nosedive.
Oh, wow.
That's good. So Justin's got a nice lead now over Ophir.
Oh, wow. So Benny's going to get past Brock Morrison. And he's going to look for...
that was pretty crazy.
He's coming up for an Ophir right now.
So Greg
Benny's trying to catch Ophir.
Working up.
And he's really doing a good job
so far, lapping everyone except second.
2.3 seconds. There's Greg Armour, Justin Jinks, Jonathan Perry, Ophir, Benny, Chad Morgan, David Food, trying to find the outer places. And Benny, you need 3 seconds, Benny. Oh, here comes your 3 seconds, Benny. Now you just need 3 seconds. 1 second with every last breath that you just
There's
made.
Justin in the 2.
You need to off a second now. And he's right there at Jonathan Perry. He's catching Jonathan Perry.
Here's Ophir in the 3.
And here comes Benny. On the inside, he's definitely trying to...
So Benny
he's going to put it on the inside.
and George are battling.
He's going to push it on the inside. He almost gets Ophir right now. He's going to go for Ophir. Maybe that one start. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh my goodness. He takes Ophir on the inside. He's going to take that spot. Ophir's going to put in.
Father and son battling. Benny's going to roll it.
Benny rolled it over. Oh wow.
Benny definitely got a lot better
45 to go.
these past couple races.
Wow. What if they make another mistake? Here comes Benny. Playing it smart. Thank you.
Benny pushing hard to get back up to his dad. His dad's going to dump it. That's going to let Benny go past.
Benny's going to pass. Thank you.
So Benny going to take it over. Fourth from Ophir. His son.
Trying to catch Jonathan Perry for that podium spot.
So Benny's the son, Ophir's the dad. Benny trying to
1 minute to go.
push hard to get past George. George is going to go wide. Benny's going to take the inside.
Oh my goodness. Here we go. He's just going to try to get that podium spot. He's right on his bumper. This is how we do it. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. You waiting. Give me.
Good sportsmanship there.
So Benny now is on the podium spot. With only 25 seconds to go. Oh, he rolled over.
Then you're gonna make a mistake. That's gonna let George take over the 3. So George is gonna cross the line. gonna get one more. 10 seconds, 9,
One more lap.
7.
So let's see.
George playing it safe. Benny playing it safe.
This is going to be
1.4 result.
So Greg Harmer done with the 1.
17 lap,
He's definitely trying to catch up.
George trying to keep it smooth.
done with the 16 lap 10:06 flag result.
Benny pushing hard.
Drake done with the 19 lap 10:07.1 result. Dennis was done with the 17 lap
Good run from Benny and George.
and he done with the 17 lap 10.